Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we're back in the garage as we have been. We're going to continue to build out this into a usable workshop. I want some more work surfaces. The table that we built a few weeks back has been great. I also have this little workbench back here and this counter back there. But as you guys know, there's pretty much no way to have enough work surfaces when it comes to having a shop. I kind of like the idea of having like big long counters. This bench back here is only 4 feet wide. And I think that I could expand this and put this somewhere else and utilize some more space, maybe have that more like another floating island over here that kind of spans between the two tables. So this is my basement. It's kind of like our home gym. We've got the exercise bike, the treadmill. I put a TV on the wall, some flags because what home gym doesn't have a flag? We've got a yoga mat, but I also keep some of my workout equipment like the exercise bands. I have a jump rope that the ceilings are too short to use in here, but that's okay. I got my medal from the marathon. So I just kind of have it all set up here. And one of the things I added was this bench. It was an extra one from when I had some workbenches in the basement at my apartment before we moved into this house. And so I just kind of needed to put it somewhere. And at the time, it just kind of made sense to stick it in here. But to be honest, it's just kind of a shit catcher. So I think I'm gonna steal that thing back. Apparently I only put like 3 screws in this, so this should be fun. Oh God. Oh, I should have known that was gonna happen. How the hell did I do this? Oh boy. Did I screw these from the inside? How did I build this thing? While I'm here, there's a bunch of holes in the wall from, I don't know what it's from, stuff that I never fixed before, so might as well hit them while I'm standing here before I put anything else in the way. Thing's such a potato chip though. I don't know if this is gonna work. Putting a long bench here, and then my thought originally was I could put the short bench here, but this hose is in the way. So that might end up over there or in the middle or something, but it's quite a potato chip. All right, so now I have a mark where the top surface of the table should be, and I have some clamps, and my thought here is to just line this up like this, and then as best as I can, got some more screws. I ran out, so I had to make a Home Depot run and get lunch because I was hungry. Oh, that hurt. Clearly, there's not enough room in the current state. There will be once everything's organized, but there's a lot of stuff that doesn't have a home. Now to attach it to the wall, I'm going to take a nailer block, screw it into the side there, and then I'll have this to screw into the wall. Oh boy. Do that and then have something that looks like something. Oh! I have the two end ones in and it's pretty sturdy, but there was a little bit of a sag in the middle, so I put a temporary support with one screw in it just to hold it up a little bit while it's level, and then that way when I put these guys in, it should support it a little bit better. If the thing sags a little over time, so be it. I'm not too worried about it, but it'd be nice for it to be as close to level when we start. Damn it. Oh, this is not fun anymore. Minimal sag. Originally, I was thinking this workbench, this little 4-footer, would either go against the other wall or maybe just kind of float as another kind of island, but I was playing around with the idea of it being kind of like this T shape. And I sort of like having this kind of U here, and then it creates another workstation here where I've got another stool that I could sit down and work here, and I have sort of another bunch of different options as far as places to work. There's still a ton of organizing and things to be done. I took some more stuff that was on the shelf over here and I put it inside. I think tomorrow I'm going to build a shelf that fits in the corner there so that I can organize a bunch of that stuff and get more of the stuff in the house organized. That means there's less junk out here and more room for tools. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please think about hitting that like button and subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.